just watching the surfers go out into the deep, way out there, guys. Guys, I forgot what those are called. They don't know, right? So they have like the longboards out there. I guess they're searching for a big wave. One of them turned around. See the waves coming in a lot here. Jumped up in the air with it. Wow. I didn't get that on camera. That guy there, like in purple and pink. Yeah, like he got out there. He's like literally in the air about 4 feet. Wanted to get this on, do it as an upload, y'all. I know my upload community not that strong yet, but you know, just can see a lot more of the grandeur of where we at. Like, you can see like high definition of everything. So check it out. I mean, don't miss out on these uploads because every time they come out, you can look at it on 4K. 60 frames per second. Yeah, beautiful water. The wind is nice. I know we had a lot of wind, but that's just what it is. Again, the wind is like tide is definitely coming in